is one green juice recipe that you can put together under 5 minutes but does an amazing job in your body. Let me walk you through how you can make yours. For my ingredients, I'm going to be making use of cucumber, ginger, mint leaf, and some chia seed. I'll also leave the full ingredients in the description box below. If you're interested, go ahead and check it out. I started by cutting the cucumber, followed by the ginger, followed by the mint leaf as well. Don't forget to clean your ingredients with a little bit of salt. Just put all the ingredients in the water, add a little bit of salt to it, and give it a good wash. The salt will help to get rid of all the dirt, alright? I soak half teaspoon of chia seed in water for about an hour, and this is what it's looking like. Once you soak your chia seed, it's going to double in size and it's going to be looking as if it's slimy, alright? It is perfectly fine. I'll go ahead and transfer all the ingredients into the blender. Add some water to it, cover it up and give it a good blend. With the help of the sieve, I will separate the juice from the chaff, trash the chaff and keep the juice aside. I went ahead and add the chia seed and I'll go ahead and mix everything together, and that is it guys. Super simple, but this green juice does amazing. It does so wonder. When you drink it, trust me, you will just do the second one with no stress, and you will do the first one as well all the time. It's super hydrating, trust me guys. Go and give it a try and come back here to leave me a comment. Hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.